we got sets. This person eat rice. This person eat milk. They eat both rice and milk. Same milk. They are the set. This is set A. This is set B. This is the common element from set A and B. From this you can see it's beam balance. Also called Tarazu in Nepali. You know its mechanism. I don't have to explain it anymore. Now here we got something that proves Pythagoras theorem. This is x squared. This is hypothesis. This is base, and this is height. Height can be either tall, either short. Base can also be short. It is, and it proves this value. It proves this formula.
Thank you.
So, there is a plus b whole square. To prove that here is a plus b whole square. This is 7, this is 7, this is a, this is a square, this is big equal. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is a square minus b square. It's a plus b. And here is b. We got this. This is used to measure. This is the value 1, this is the value 2, this is the value 3, this is the value minus 1, this is the value minus 2. In it, we can see 0. 0 is never negative, it's always positive. We can see that. Now, there is a graph. You know the graph, this is y-axis. In y-axis, it's always positive. This is in the bottom, there is y-dash axis. It's always negative. This is x-axis. The value in x-axis is positive, while the value in x-dash is always negative. It's used to plot something.
Start.
दाल जौको पिठो माछा सुकाएको अनि त्यो राजमा अनि बोडीहरूको केराहरू सबै यिनीहरू चाहिँ हाम्रो पोषणयुक्त खानेकुरा अनि हामी सबै ब्यालेन्स डाइट सन्तुलित आहारहरू जस्तो कि भात वन तरकारी दाल अन्डा दुध अनि त्यसपछि साग भयो पानी भयो सबै हाम्रो सन्तुलित आहार हो उतापट्टि कार्बोहाइड्रेट पास्ता चिउरा आलु मकै चामल अनि सकल खाना क्वालिटीमा चाहिँ यो चाहिँ माक्रोन्युट्रिएन्ट्स हो अनि यो चाहिँ अलि हाम्रो शरीरमा चाहिँ अलिक धेरै मात्रामा चाहिन्छ यो चाहिँ फ्याट भयो।
नमस्ते, यो चाहिँ बोसो बनाउने एकदम तत्त्वको कुरा हो। यो सक्खर काजु दही अनि डाँडा अलिक
यो हाम्रो डेली लाइफमा प्रयोग हुने खानेकुराहरू जसबाट हामीलाई प्रोटिन भिटामिन मिनरल्स जस्ता तत्त्वहरू पाइन्छ। यो खाँदा हाम्रो बडी स्वस्थ रहन्छ। यो खाँदा यो हाम्रो बडी चिलाउने डायरिया मलेरिया जस्ता पर्छ, त्यसैले यो खानु पर्दैन। बाटो खाँदा
हामीलाई भावनानीहरू हामीले विद्यालय पठाएका छौँ। हामीसँग कोचिङ क्लासहरू चलेका अथवा हामी राजनैतिक घोषणा राख्छौँ।